Hello everyone, this is my OnePlus 12R mobile, 8GB 128GB variant. Today I got a new update in my mobile. To get that, click on Oxygen OS at the top. You can see I got an update of 166 MB and the version is P00. There are a lot of changes in this update. The major changes I can see in the photos, they made a lot of changes, and under the system they improved the system stability. And one useful change I can see is like in the private safe they added recently deleted folder. So I will update my mobile and I will keep you posted. I have updated my mobile to the latest version. So at the top you can see the version number P00, and these are the change logs. So the first is the private safe. To check that, I will go to my private safe, and if you click here, now we are getting recently deleted folder, which was not there before. The second change in the photos, now we are getting a rename option for the albums, and also there is a plus icon here to create an album, which was not there before. And the next one is the system stability. After updating, I did not notice any critical bugs or issue. My mobile is working fine. And also I have noticed improvement in my battery life after updating. So for that I will go to my battery stats. So here you can see I got screen time of 2 hours 4 minutes for just 14% of the battery drain. So you can go and update your softwares. There are no issues with this version. Thank you.